Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go and get my hair done. So I thought this would be nice if I vlog today. So hey guys, so I'm about to head out, and first of all I want to stop by the salon to wash my hair. So this is how my hair looks. So they're going to use and wash my hair at the salon. The woman that normally makes my hair, I called her and she's not around, but she referred me to someone else. Hopefully she knows how to make hair. It's not as if I'm going for a busy or should I say difficult hairstyle. It's just normal cornrows. So let's get this video started. So the salon is close by. I'm not entering any sort of vehicle. So